A big Bollywood breaking news is coming in. Top Bollywood filmmakers are facing the grilling next in Sushant Singh Rajput's suspicious death case. Maharashtra Home Minister has revealed that filmmaker Mahesh Bhatt is going to be questioned in connection with Sushant Singh Rajput's death. The Minister Anil Deshmukh also revealed that producer-director Karan Johar's manager has been summoned, and if the need be and the need arises, Karan Johar himself will be summoned for questioning. Over 30 Bollywood personalities, including filmmakers Sanjay Leela Bhansali, Aditya Chopra, have already been questioned. Cops are now probing if some Bollywood personalities actually abetted the alleged death by suicide of Sushant Singh Rajput, who ended his life last month.
ऐसे करण जौहर के मैनेजर को बुलाया है और उनको इन्वेस्टिगेट करने के बाद में ऐसी ज़रूरत लगी कि करण जौहर को भी बुलाना पड़ता है, तो उनको भी बुलाएंगे। फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में, बॉलीवुड में कोई कोटरी है क्या जो बिजनेस राइवलरी के कारण किसको नए लोगों को आने नहीं देती इंडस्ट्री में? इस प्रकार की चर्चा, बिजनेस राइवलरी की चर्चा लेके वो एंगल से इन्वेस्टिगेशन चल रहा है।
Mustafa Sheikh is now reporting from Mumbai, joining us for the very latest. Mustafa, the death by suicide angle is being probed. Abetment of suicide angle is being probed by the Mumbai police at the moment. After 30-odd Bollywood celebrities have gotten quizzed already in the case which is related to the death of Sushant Singh Rajput. Now you've got Mahesh Bhatt being added to the list, and probably Karan Johar's manager is going to be summoned, and Karan Johar himself too.
Well, yes, Cheti, that's what the Home Minister of Maharashtra has said, that Mahesh Bhatt has been called, Karan Johar's manager has been called, and it's likely that Karan Johar will also be called for questioning at Bandra police station in the Sushant Singh Rajput case. Though the Mumbai police has not registered any case, they have questioned many people related to Bollywood, and it seems from Home Minister's comments that the police is also trying to probe about some kind of a group which is not allowing work to reach to the newcomers in the industry. So there is a lot of things which are happening in Bollywood, which A.R. Rahman and other people have also come out and said. So Mumbai police is actually investigating things related to those cases in light of Sushant Singh Rajput's suicide. So we'll have to wait and see what comes out of the police investigation. But yes, these are big names from Bollywood who are being now questioned by the Mumbai police. Back to you.
What about the growing chorus from for a CBI probe in this particular matter, Mustafa? Are we picking up anything on that front?
Well, Cheti, if you look at the complaint, there has been no such demand from any family members or relative of Sushant Singh Rajput which has been made as of now. There have been people who are related and connected to him who have made such demands, and as we were discussing earlier, that even Mumbai police has not registered any case in Sushant Singh Rajput suicide, and they are only investigating based on what reports which are coming on social media and other things. They are still trying to understand whether there was some concrete things which could be taken in the light of IPC and CRPC to take this case further.
That's
and
right.
file a
You know,
criminal
Mustafa, we're
complaint
getting a reaction coming in from the Maharashtra Home Minister. Let's listen to what he has to say, and then I'm coming back to you on the further questions that I have as far as Kangana Ranaut is concerned and Karan Johar's manager is concerned as well. So listen in to what the Maharashtra Home Minister Anil Deshmukh has to say on this.
करण जौहर के मैनेजर को बुलाया है और उनको इन्वेस्टिगेट करने के बाद में ऐसी ज़रूरत लगी कि करण जौहर को भी बुलाना पड़ता है, तो उनको भी बुलाएंगे। फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में, बॉलीवुड में कोई कोटरी है क्या जो बिजनेस राइवलरी के कारण किसको नए लोगों को आने नहीं देती इंडस्ट्री में? इस प्रकार की चर्चा, बिजनेस राइवलरी की चर्चा लेके वो एंगल से इन्वेस्टिगेशन चल रहा है।
Mustafa is still with us, joining us from Mumbai. Mustafa, it was Kangana Ranaut who started making extremely strong allegations against Karan Johar and many others in the film industry as well. And I believe that she was also called in for questioning. What really happened? Why did she not show up?
Well, the date of her recording the statement with Mumbai police is yet to be out. What Mumbai police has said that they have summoned that Kangana Ranaut, and the questioning can take place. And you are right that it was her video that basically started. It shed some light on whether what can be the reasons of related to Sushant Singh's suicide, and hence Mumbai police had then picked up. It was Anil Deshmukh, the Home Minister, who had at that same time had said that they are investigating the Bollywood rivalry angle, and they are now doing it as of now. And it's in the case. Back to you.
All right there, Mustafa. Pia Ingurani is also joining us on the phone line. She's somebody who tracks the Bollywood industry very closely. She knows the ins and outs of the Bollywood film fraternity as well. Pia, this is huge news. This is big news when you've got top filmmakers like Mahesh Bhatt getting questioned. You've got Karan Johar's manager who's been called in for questioning as well. And the Home Minister of Maharashtra, Anil Deshmukh, has made it amply clear that if need be, Karan Johar too will be summoned. What are we looking at over here? Are we looking at a probe related to abetment of suicide?
But Chaiti, it's very clear that, the police want to cover all the aspects of this case because it is a high-profile one. Of course, it's one of the leading actors in Bollywood to have, died by suicide. So yes, they will probe all the angles and perhaps then reach a conclusion about what, they finally get from all the filmmakers. As you know, they have questioned Sanjay Leela Bhansali. They have questioned Aditya Chopra. Now, of course, they might call in Karan Johar. But as you know, even before. There were reports that Sushant Singh Rajput was to do a film with Mahesh Bhatt. It was Sadak 2, but unfortunately that did not work out. And post that, they never really crossed paths. However, Riya Chakravarti, who calls herself Sushant's girlfriend, has worked with Mahesh Bhatt before. So perhaps they want to cover all the links to Sushant and of course tick all the boxes so that they know that they have covered and done a thorough investigation of the case.
All right, we'll wait and watch to see how this case pans out. Really, what the news that is just coming in is that Mahesh Bhatt is going to be questioned. Karan Johar's manager is going to be questioned. If need be, Karan Johar will be called in for questioning as well. Kangana Ranaut has been issued the summons, but she has not yet shown up for questioning. That date of her questioning is still to come out. So, of course, the Mumbai police right there wrapping the ante as far as the probe is concerned, as far as the death of Sushant Singh Rajput is concerned.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.